Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how do we place alerts on the PTM Swing Indicator. Let me just quickly remind you that this is a very small but important process. This part you have already studied in the Intraday Indicator guide video too, and if you have finished that video, if you have watched that, this is the exact same process. You know how to make the alert. You can skip directly to the next video, which is your strategy video. Right now, for those who don't know how to place an alert on the indicator, let me quickly tell you, it's just a 5-minute process. Listen to it, it'll be very helpful for you in the future. You can place the same method on any indicator, not only PTM indicator, on any indicator. So just quickly, let's revise why are we placing the alert. If you remember from the last video, I told you the entire process, business process, market structure, PTM signals. Your PTM indicator helps us solve the market structure issue as well as your edge. All right, we have an entry pattern here. Here we need alerts for one reason only. As soon as the signal comes, as soon as I see the signal, I want to execute my strategy. So sometimes it's possible that I'm a working professional, I'm away from the screen. Even if I'm sitting at my workstation, I might be busy doing some other work, right? On the background, I just want an alert. Simple. This alert, after I get it, I want to directly execute the strategy. Most important part, remember, don't sit and think after you get the alert. If you're thinking after you get the alert, try to avoid that setup, try to avoid that date, try to avoid this complete strategy, because you are not going to think. This is the main part of a trader. He does not think before executing the strategy because he has already planned it. All right, this is the most important part. Right now, let's get back into the video here. Let's see how do you place an alert on the indicator. On the top right side of trading view here, there's a small clock symbol. This is where all your alerts have been placed. If I click there, you can see right now there are no alerts, so we will create one by one. We are going to the indicator. On the indicator, make sure that on the first, when I click the three dots here, just keep your focus here. And when I put my cursor over the indicator, click on the three dots. First option, add alert on PTM indicator. Click that. Here you see there is a tab which opened. We are going to fill each of this, and this is the same exact process for any alert you want to place on any indicator in TradingView. All right. So first what we're going to do is we are going to select the indicator. We have placed the indicator, that's correct. And then now we are going to click this small bull. There's a small arrow here. Click on it. You can see that there are 4 signals: small bull, small bear, then we have your big bull and big bear. So totally we have 4 alerts from our indicator. All right. So we are going to create each and every alert for all the 4 signals. As simple as that. How do we do it? I'll tell you. First, let's create the small bull. All right. Let's create the small bull alert. So I'm clicking on this. So condition, when small bull candle closes, when the signal comes, I will get an alert. Now interval, remember, keep this as 1 hour, because the time frame we are using this indicator is 1 hour. It will not work on any other time frame. We are using it for Indian market, NSE and BSE instruments, 1 hour chart. Simple. So 1 hour, you put this time frame, customize it. Default, it will be same as chart. Remove it, click 1 hour. All right. Then trigger, once per bar close. So make sure this is once per bar close. You have 4 other options, but here you must click on once per bar close. Expiration. Now this is very important. Try to understand this. Usually when you have a premium subscription or premium plus subscription on TradingView, you can place an open-ended alert. So whenever you don't need to adjust it later. All right. When you click this, what will it say? TradingView will tell you you have only an essential plan, base plan. If you have a premium plan, you can place never ending alerts. So you don't have to adjust it. This is not important. This is just a small information tip I gave you. That's all. Here, what you can do is you can just set the expiration 1 month from now. So when I'm recording this video, I'll just click 1 month. That's it. 1 month from now, I will just go and reset the alert again 1 month. So that is a very simple process. Now, next part is the alert message. So when I click here, what message do I want? I want, let's say, alert name PTM Swing, right? PTM Swing alert. What is the message I will get? I will get small bull. This is the message I will get whenever I get the alert. I'll click on apply. Simple. Last one is notifications. Last one is notifications. We are going to click that. This is a little bit important. Pay attention. Here you can see there is first option, notify in app. If I have a mobile phone, if I have my smartphone, I can connect TradingView if I have downloaded. Whenever this alert comes, it will come in my phone. I think many of you know this already. I don't have to tell you about this. This is done. Show toast notifications. Now, toast notifications are nothing but on your screen. Sometimes when you get an alert, you will get a small pop-up, right? It will say alert triggered and whatever your alert name and alert message. So this is nothing but a toast notification. This will only come when your TradingView screen is open. So if you're suppose you're following PTM chart on the side, let's say you have opened some other chart and you're studying, and then this alert comes. So this will trigger on your PTM chart. Okay, whichever chart you're following, whichever layout, whichever screen, if TradingView is open, this alert toast notification will come. Simple. When this toast notification comes, do you want a sound? Do you want to play a sound? Yes, I think this is good enough. Let me put a small basic default sound. Simple. The remaining parts is not important. The most important part for algo traders is webhook URL. When you click on webhook URL, what happens is it first time it tells you to complete some two-factor authentication. So webhook URL is for algo traders. Okay, algo traders will use the webhook URL. Right now I don't need it, so I will just turn it off. Simple. There's nothing else. That's all. A simple notifications. Before you create, now before you finish creating, make sure you have selected the interval again. This sometimes resets, so just make sure you have double check the interval, click on 1 hour and create. Right on the right side, now you can see I have a create, it's activating. Now it's active. So PTM swing small bull. Whenever there's a small bull signal here, that is nothing but my blue signals. Whenever these blue signals get triggered, here, immediately I will get this alert. Simple. Next point here, just see your indicator, green color. There's a small clock here. It means that there is an active alert on your indicator. That's all. It's very simple, nothing complicated. If you change the time frame, it will go. So if I just change the time frame to 15 minutes, that alert green symbol will go, because our indicator works only on 1 hour chart. So go back to 1 hour chart, it will come back again. Simple. So on this time frame, your PTM indicator swing has one active alert. Same process, exactly same process, one small change for remaining parts of remaining alerts. So what we'll do is go back here, click on add alert on PTM indicator. Now we finished small bull, right? We are going to create small bear. What is the interval? 1 hour. Once per bar close, yes. Expiration date 1 month from today. Message, I want to change it as PTM swing. PTM swing, small bear, right? Done. Apply. Now toasts and notifications, yes, done, no problem. Apply and create. That's it. Less than 1 minute, you have created another alert. Same process we'll do for the big signals now, big bull and big bear. Again, go back to your indicator, click on add alert on PTM indicator. Drop down menu, go to this small bull. Now we are going to create for big bull. Time frame 1 hour. Everything else is same. Once per bar close, trigger, expiration date 1 month, message PTM swing, because I have PTM intraday as well, right? So I want a clear difference between intraday alert and swing alert. So that's it, done. Before I create, I have to double check my interval. Let me just check here. 1 hour, correct, and everything create. Let me just check the small bears 1 hour, right? Okay, superb. So this is all, guys. It's a 2 minute process. Now let's create the last alert for big bear. Time frame 1 hour, once per bar close trigger, expiration date 1 month from now. Message, I want to put it as PTM swing. Apply. Notifications the same, done. Let me just check the interval. 1 hour, correct, create. That's all. Absolutely simple process. We have created all the alerts for your PTM swing indicator. Now we are going to learn the next part. We are going to start learning all the strategies. Very simple process. I just need my alert so that I can directly execute my strategy in the live market. Now you don't have to follow alerts, it's not mandatory, it's up to you, but I feel that as a working professional, or if I'm busy doing research somewhere else, I definitely need alerts. All right, it's a very simple process. It reduces my workload on the market. That's all. All right, I'll see you in the next video. We'll talk about the first strategy, safe VRP harvesting method. I'll see you there. Till then, take care and be safe.